Martian Soldiers, fact, fiction, or future, space, the final frontier. For centuries humanity has looked to the stars, dreaming of other worlds and alien life. Mars, our red neighbor, has always held a special fascination. We search for signs of life, past or present. But what if Mars was once home to something more? What if Martian soldiers, the stuff of science fiction, were actually real? Imagine a legion of warriors, hardened by the harsh Martian environment, their armor gleaming under the two moons of Mars. These are the Legio Martia, the legendary Martian soldiers shrouded in mystery. Were they real? Or are they just a product of our imagination, fueled by our desire to find life beyond Earth? The answer, like space itself, is vast and unknown, but we can explore the possibilities using science and imagination as our guides. We start with what we know. Mars is a planet of extremes. Its thin atmosphere, low gravity, and lack of a global magnetic field make it a hostile environment, but these challenges may have also shaped life on Mars, if it ever existed. Could the need to survive in such a harsh environment have led to the evolution of a warrior culture, a Legio Martia? The very idea of Martian soldiers sparks the imagination. What would they look like? How would they fight? What kind of technology would they possess? These questions have captivated writers and filmmakers for decades, but as we learn more about Mars, we can move beyond mere speculation and begin to ground our understanding of the Legio Martia in scientific possibility. Join me as we delve into the mystery of the Martian soldiers and explore the potential history of the Legio Martia. To understand the Legio Martia, we must first imagine a Mars very different from the one we know today. Billions of years ago, Mars was a warmer, wetter planet, perhaps even harboring life. It is in this ancient past that the seeds of the Legio Martia might have been sown. Picture a Martian civilization, not unlike our own ancient empires, rising amidst the challenges of a young and dynamic planet. Just like the Roman legions of Earth, forged in the fires of conquest and expansion, the Legio Martia might have emerged from a need for defense, for unity, and for conquest in a world of limited resources. What drove the formation of this Martian army? Perhaps it was the need to protect burgeoning city-states from rival factions or to secure vital resources like water and minerals. Perhaps, like many empires on Earth, the Legio Martia was born out of ambition, a desire to expand their dominion over the entire Red Planet. The formation of the Legio Martia would have been a defining moment in Martian history, a turning point where disparate tribes or city-states coalesced under a single banner. This unification, driven by the need for survival or ambition, would have reshaped the Martian landscape both physically and culturally. Every army has its battles, its stories of valor and defeat. The Legio Martia, if they existed, would be no different. Their history, etched in the red dust of Mars, would whisper tales of epic conflicts and cunning strategies. Imagine vast armies clashing across the Martian plains, the ground trembling under the weight of their advance. Picture Martian soldiers armed with weapons powered by unknown technologies, repelling invaders or conquering new territories. These battles would have been more than just clashes of might. They would have been struggles for survival, for dominance, for the future of Mars itself. Perhaps the Legio Martia faced internal conflicts, civil wars that reshaped the political landscape of Mars, or perhaps they faced external threats, defending their world from invaders from other planets or even other dimensions. These conflicts, brutal and unforgiving, would have tested the mettle of the Legio Martia, pushing them to the limits of their endurance and ingenuity. The outcomes of these battles, victories hard won and defeats bitterly endured, would have shaped the destiny of the Legio Martia and the Martian civilization they protected. Each battle, a chapter in their history, would have contributed to their evolving tactics, their technological advancements, and their place in the grand narrative of Mars. Section 4. Martian Military Might, Technology and Tactics. The Legio Martia, forged in the crucible of Martian hardship, would have necessitated advanced technology and innovative tactics to wage war on a world so unforgiving. What weapons might they have wielded? What strategies might they have employed? Speculating on these possibilities allows us to explore the potential ingenuity of a Martian civilization. Imagine weapons harnessing the power of Martian dust storms, unleashing bolts of static electricity, or utilizing focused sonic waves to incapacitate enemies. Picture armored vehicles, perhaps resembling giant insects, traversing the rugged Martian terrain with ease, their forms dictated by the planet's lower gravity. And what of their tactics? Did they utilize the Martian landscape to their advantage, setting ambushes in canyons and craters, or harnessing the power of sandstorms to disorient their foes? The Legio Martia might have even mastered genetic engineering, creating soldiers adapted to the Martian environment, warriors with enhanced strength and endurance, capable of withstanding the thin atmosphere and intense radiation. Their armor, perhaps grown rather than manufactured, might have integrated seamlessly with their biology, providing superior protection and mobility. The technological achievements of the Legio Martia would have been intrinsically linked to their understanding of Martian science. Harnessing the power of the planet's natural resources and phenomena would have been key to their survival and dominance. Their ingenuity, born out of necessity, would have driven innovation, pushing the boundaries of what we might consider possible. Section 5. The Legio Martia's enduring legacy, shaping Martian society. The influence of a military force as significant as the Legio Martia would have extended far beyond the battlefield. Their legacy, etched in the very fabric of Martian society, would have shaped their culture, their technology, and their understanding of the universe. The discipline and martial prowess of the Legio Martia would have been woven into the social fabric of Mars. Values like honor, duty, and sacrifice might have permeated everyday life. Their victories would have been celebrated in grand monuments and epic poems, their heroes immortalized in Martian mythology. The technological advancements driven by the needs of the Legio Martia might have eventually spread to civilian life. Just as wartime innovations on Earth led to advancements in fields like medicine and communication, the Legio Martia's pursuit of military superiority could have inadvertently benefited Martian society as a whole. Furthermore, the Legio Martia's constant exploration and mapping of Mars in their campaigns might have led to a deeper understanding of the planet's history, geology, and potentially the fate of their own civilization. The search for strategic advantage could have unearthed ancient ruins, revealing the secrets of their past, and perhaps the reasons for their downfall.